Okay, you know what's cool? You know what's cool? This could be cool. This could be cool right here. Check this out. It's a fog machine. Fog machine. The model Smoke B. Smoke B. Suitable for outside shooting, which is awesome because I actually have a video thing that we're doing in like 2 or 3 days, and that's not true at all. Tomorrow we're doing it. I've got some preparing to do. Anyways, I think we could possibly use a smoke machine because we want to make this look like it's early morning at the beginning, and having some foggy kind of mist roll in is kind of something that I've been trying and hoping to be able to get. This may be super cool for it. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to crack open the box and take a look at what it comes with, and then we may turn it on. I don't know how it works. I have a feeling it uses I don't know, some kind of gas or oil or something to create the smoke. I don't know. We're gonna see how that works, and then I'm gonna attempt possibly to use it, and this could be really cool. This could be really cool. One of those things that most of us that are like independent-y, like shooters and that, never probably thought we would actually be able to get on a budget, or something that would be like, this is on my list as things that I should probably look at because they've been really expensive, is a smoke machine. This one right now, it comes in, this is US dollars, 169 bucks. You know, that's pretty good. I was up at a Sony event. Look, I'm wearing a Sony shirt, and they had a smoke machine going, and it's so atmospheric, especially if you can get the lighting to really complement it. And so when I got home, and these guys here, LensGo, reached out and said, hey, do you want to try a smoke machine? And I was like, well, the universe says I probably should want this. So there's 6 different, it says 6 different smoke modes. So portrait mode, dry ice mode, smoke effects, film level mist mode, though that's cool, incense burning mode, and controlled smoke. I probably want controlled smoke is probably what I want. I don't know what film level mist, but all in all, still super cool. Double click to use. I think it all depends really on like what attachments, because you have all these little, you can kind of see there's like little tube pipe thing, right? Film level mist effect. Oh, that's kind of cool too. I like that one. Maybe I'll use that. And you could just have it at the party. Performance, cold delicacies, barbecue, just add some extra smoke. Okay, no, that's cool. They even have a little video here, which I'm sure I'll watch because I probably will need it. Okay, so this is the box. This is the thing here. So list of accessories. We'll check it out when we open it. I'm guessing this is how to use it. Hold the silicone cover in your hand. Gently lift the silicone cover to reveal the, oh, see it is, the oil injection note. The oil bottle can be refueled by aiming at the oil injection note. So I wonder where you get the oil, right? Okay. After refueling, tighten this oil tank and install it back in the main engine. Oil tank operation will reduce high temperatures. The heat insulation cover must be installed. Okay, cool. After refueling, wait 5 minutes before using. And I'm guessing that is so that, I don't know, maybe it doesn't explode. I don't know why you have to, but it says to wait, so you wait. You do what it tells you. This, and we've done a lot of, I like to see LensGo because they have some decent mics, you know, for a budget. I like to see them kind of expanding, which is very cool. So you do have the, I guess this is the kind of how you use it. It's like a quick go, kind of get in there. That's cool, nice, whatever. Because long press for 3 seconds to power on or shut down. What is this? Do not operate to the eyes. So don't. Fair, right? Do not use for children. So if you're maybe like slow cooking a child, maybe rotisserie, and you're like, you want some smoke just to, they talk about the barbecue scene. That's what I'm thinking. They're saying don't use it there because, I don't know, for some reason makes your food taste funny. I don't know. Who knows? Check oil Are you supposed to, what are you supposed, this is, must be like like a list of things to check. Check oil, keep upright, high temperature, don't touch, turn off after use, do not operate in the eyes, and don't use for children. I'm guessing don't let kids play with this, is what they're saying, right? That's fair. And you do get a little fog machine instruction manual. This is something that I would put in the case. And I like that they give you a little case. Look at that. Keep upright. So is this like keep upright like this? Or like keep upright this way? Because this definitely looks like something that you would sit this way, not this way, because it's not designed to sit that way. You know? Whatever. Okay. Maybe it's just saying when it's out and you have it on, try to keep it upright. Oh, this has got just all kinds of toys in it. Look at all this. So, fog machine fluid. Cool. This is the oil, which is, look at that. All right, you get 6 of them. That's it. 12 milliliters. Now, I'm curious to see how much of this you actually would use per shoot. You know, would you use a whole thing? I don't know. You get this, which is your bottom. Nope. I don't know what this part is. I need to see the pictures of it because that's important, right? It doesn't show it with this on at all. It does show. Oh, so this is one of the attachments. This is for the film level mist effect. Gotcha. And it even has its own little. See, oh yeah, it says right there, mist fan, battery capacity at 1200 milliamps, charging voltage 5 volt 2 amps. So make sure you just use like a standard like smartphone charger for this. This, of course, is your little smoke machine. I've got my own smoke machine. Sweet deal. Fog machine power, 40 watts. Yes, it's got some weight to it, which is awesome. This is the oil tank. So use after refueling. My guess is there's your power button. Yeah. Well, that just pops off. And then I guess you just take this little thing off here and you pour your oil in it. It looks like it should take, my guess would be almost a full canister of oil in there. You guys can see that. You know, that's okay. It is tripod mountable, which is cool. And there's your USB-C for charging. Okay, that is the sweetness. And then over here you get that's maybe just I don't know. That's maybe just a spacer. I don't know what that is. You do get all your like tubes, depending on how you're going to be using this. You know, that's going to be stuff that you place on the top of like here, just to figure out how you're shooting the smoke off. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to be shooting the smoke off everywhere. That doesn't sound weird at all. And then you get USB-A to USB-C cable. Cool. Some silica gel. And last but not least, what is this? You get a remote. I can remote do it. Even Google or Amazon got excited there. There's a little remote. And this, you pull this out because your battery's in there. So make sure you pull that out so that this functions. Okie dokie. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some oil in it. I'm gonna charge this first. Yes, because I'm gonna make sure everything's charged. I'm not gonna charge the fan part yet because that's just one of the things. But I am gonna charge this, make sure it's up at 100%, and then we'll continue this afternoon when we'll just try it here at the desk just to see what it's kind of like, because it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. All right, stay tuned. Hold on. All right, so I think I've got everything all charged. I was going to take this out. This is actually a couple of days later. I was going to actually take this out to shoot a little motorcycle video that we were trying to produce for a company here in town. But we were so limited on time that when we had concepts that it just didn't seem to be able to play a role. And with limited time, I didn't want to be like trying this out and realizing that I'm wasting time for something that we're not going to use anyway. This just unscrews like so. I'm guessing, as you can see here, there's just this little top here that pops off. Okay, that's just it. Now, do you fill it all the way? Some may say, hey, you should read the manual and Okay, before I do that, because I don't know if you pour it in this little area or you pour it in here. My thought would be that you would pour it in here, but we should find out. Okay, as far as I can tell, look at me reading the manual, right? It does focus. It does seem to go into the little orange spot, and then you just screw it back in. Yes? See? They got it right there. That's what they say. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. So I was on board. Okay, here we go. I don't know how much you put in here. Well, you know, I'm gonna just put like maybe like half, because then I still got half the bottle. You guys may be able to see that, right? Still got half the bottle, and this it is dripping a little bit, so we're just gonna close that, make sure, and screw that on there. It takes a little bit of time. I don't know how tight you want to screw it. Some oil in my hands. Oh, sad. So that's cool. We got oil in there. We got the oil in there. It does say this can be hot. I don't know if you take this off. This is your button. This is all charged, as far as I know. I have to clean up all this oil. Then if you want, I did charge this as well. This can kind of go, does this, oh, I got to put this on. Yes? Yes. Okay. And then this can go there. And just so you guys are aware, and remember I thought this thing, I was like, oh, it's just a piece of foam. Well, it is a piece of foam, but it also goes on, you can put it on the tube. On the tube. So let's say you had this, I don't know, it doesn't really matter. That tube. Yes? Yeah, that tube. This. Take that off. This could go on here. I wonder if you could feed it through this way. Would that make more sense? And then stick that on there. That to me would make more sense. I don't know if that's the way you're supposed to do it, but it is the way that I'm doing it. So then you can, like that. And then this fella here, you can actually put up there so that it helps with the, I don't know, the smoke, I guess. All right, ready? Are we ready to try this? All right, here we go. I'm gonna turn it on. I think I'm gonna turn it on. I got a blue light. Am I gonna have to read the manual again? Manuals. Hold this, maybe? I don't think so. I think that's just gonna turn it off. Okay, so let's turn it back on. You're gonna sit there. I'm gonna point you back this way, just in case you do. It's like a mic. Just in case you do decide to start smoking, if anything's gonna happen. Back to the manual. Ha! It says push it twice in a row. Yes, twice in a, or like two pushes. 1, 2. Oh. Oh, we've got smoke. Someone had said that it smelled funky, but I'm not seeing it. Look at that. Oh, smoke. That's cool, right? And then you, 1, 2. And you still get some remnants, smoke remnants. Oh, I like that. And then this, of course, if you had this would just kind of blow it, which would, like, if you want to maybe fill the room more with smoke. And this, as far as I can tell, there's just a button here, right? And you can, like, I guess you hold it. Yeah, and it's basically, it's a fan, right? So the smoke could come in here, and this would help just kind of blow it around. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures. Maybe some video, maybe both, and I'll be right back because I wanna see how this could look in a shoot. What should I take a picture of? Take a picture of an Xbox controller. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna say that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Now my guess is that you could either just get this oil maybe on Amazon or you'd order it directly from them. I'm not too sure, but you could also, it lasts quite a bit, especially if you just don't push it and let her go, you know. I was primarily using this one so that I could kind of get in and kind of angle where this was going, right? You could just kind of see it, just gotta be like, okay, I need it down here, right? And then I turn it off and I'm like, okay, I need a bit more smoke over here, you know? Now I just need to like This would be great for those old, blah. And someone said it smelled. I don't smell anything. There's like maybe a little bit of, like a tiny bit. Man, atmospheric. Yes, that's excellent. So excellent. But no, I don't smell anything. And if you were doing this, like I would shoot with this all day. That's no issues. If you were shooting it outside or in a big area, you should have even less issue. That's super cool. That is super cool. I'm totally down. I was like, it's gonna be whatever. No. This could take it, take you to the next level. Take you to the next level. All right, guys. You saw some videos while I've been talking about this of my Xbox controller because it was in reach. I'm gonna be taking more pictures with that because that's pretty awesome. Links down below if you're interested, and that's it. We'll see you guys tomorrow.